Okay, so we now have another at-home math problem. So this was a real-life problem that happened to me, probably 10 years ago now. The principal of our school at the time, Mrs. LaPlante, came to me when they first wanted to build a GaGa pit. And she knew that the GaGa pit was an octagon, and she also knew that all the side lengths had to be the same. And so she said to me, can you figure out the angle between the two pieces of wood to make this an octagon with all the sides the same? Okay, so we have the GaGa pit. We know it's an octagon. It's actually called a regular octagon. Any polygon that the side lengths are all the same are called a regular, except for our triangle has a special name. It's the equilateral triangle. Okay, so a regular octagon is what we needed. So if it has 8 sides, that means there are 6 triangles you can make inside of it. That's important. In geometry, triangles are very important basics that we need. We need to know a lot about triangles so that we can break our other polygons up into triangles. How you do that is you take one vertex, I put a star on it, and you draw a straight line to all the other vertexes. And what you're going to notice is that this 8-sided figure has 6 triangles. That's true. If you look down here, okay, n number of sides, meaning any number of sides, means that it has that same number of angles. So an 8-sided figure has 8 angles. And then 2 less than that is how many triangles are inside. Okay, so n minus 2. Okay, so there's 6 triangles. And because I told you triangles are very important, one thing we need to know about triangles is that the 3 angles, there's 3 sides, so there's 3 angles inside of a triangle of any size always add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they all have 3 angles, and those 3 angles add up to 180. So we've got 180 here and here and here. We've got 6 groups of 180. Okay, so 6 times 180 is 1080. So inside this octagon, there is 1080 degrees. Okay, so that's with all of the 8 angles added together. Now, if you have a regular polygon, all the side lengths are the same, it means all the angles are the same too. So listen to this, we've got 1080 degrees to break up into 8 equal parts. That's division. So I took that 1080 and I split it into 8 equal parts. So I did division and I got 135 degrees. So I was able to tell Mrs. LaPlante that they have to be, that's an obtuse angle, all the angles between the side lengths at those vertexes need to be 135 degrees apart in order to make that GaGa pit. Thank you. Have a great night.